Today is the big reveal of Sarah's house that Belinda designed behind this door, but we need some champagne to celebrate September. Woo! Cheers! Cheers! Totally got caught up. Anyway, so this is the living room and dining room, and it's beautiful. They did an amazing job. Okay, so what would you say was the biggest challenge when you were designing and laying out the whole space?
We knocked down a wall that was right here, and suddenly the room became very long and skinny and open floor plan, and I had no idea how to make this half of the room work with that half of the room.
It shares a color palette, right? So because it's open, you don't want to obviously have like a wildly different theme or color palette in one room.
The color palette is green. That's it. Green.
Green. I mean, this is a big old challenge, is mixing two different rugs in the same space. So how did you do it?
I didn't.
How did you do it? Who did it?
We found rugs that shared the same style, and even though they're different colors, this color speaks to coloring in the rug, and they're both actually vintage. To help it not be chair overload, we found a bench to go with the dining to kind of break up the single chairs.
I love that.
We wanted a bench with a back so that it's also very comfortable.
Yeah.
I mean, I told Belinda that comfort was not a priority. I was just like, I need this so beautiful. These pieces of art survived the fire. They were right on the wall where the fire is, and you can still see a lot of them like soot.
Sarah's last apartment burned down, basically. So
Yeah.
around Christmas, it was terrible.
Yeah,
Yes.
go for it.
It's kind of hard.
Oh yeah.
And they don't have a lot of space right here, so we need something really shallow.
It kind of makes this
Yeah.
moment.
You have an entry,
Yeah.
you know, it's like, this is where you come in and you set these down. Design agony, fireplace, design agony. What was it before?
It was this like crumbling red terracotta. Belinda found a bunch of stone options because I had originally wanted a single slab. Mac wanted tile. Belinda found some slabs that we ended up cutting into tile.
Good job. Okay guys, living dining room designed by Belinda Helen for Sarah Tram. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.